Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing Mommy Mailbox. For September, I'm actually doing a box in the month that I received it. Go figure. Also notice, see that? That's my laundry. There's only like 5 pieces of laundry in there. Mom's on top of it. Alright, so I'm going to give myself a treat and open this wonderful box for Mom. So if you're not familiar with Mommy Mailbox, each box is curated by a different mom influencer. Boxes are themed and contain 4 to 6 special gifts for Mom. You'll receive things like beauty, jewelry, home decor, different, just nice, really nice things. Boxes are $33.95, and I think they have like an $80 value or something like that. They're beautiful. I love these. So let's just go ahead and get into it. I will link down below to my full review. I will also link to Mommy Mailbox with my affiliate link, so you can check them out if you're interested. They also have the Miss Mailbox. I know a couple of you guys subscribe to that. I'd love to know what you guys think. If the products are different, if they vary, let me know. I'm curious. All right. So this is... Oh, this is actually the August box. Dang it! I got this later, though, just so everybody knows. This is Staycation. The featured blogger is Kelly Jewel. And she... I like Staycation, but... Oh, okay. She has something called Lulu's Jewels, which I guess is a jewelry. I'm not sure. So there's her, and on the back, we're going to have everything that's in this box. So, let's go in here. Did I say the price? It's $33.95? Alright. First up, we have... I'm going to show you guys so you guys can see. This is what the box looks like. So, you got your puffies on top. Your squigglers. And then you have your items in there like so. Like so. Alright. I'm getting my squigglers all over my bed. One time, somebody commented on one of my videos. They're like... You're filming and you're on your bed? That's weird. I was like, why is that weird? I don't get it. Like, there's nothing, like, secret about this is where I sleep at night. I don't know. It was odd. So anyway, this is from Swellmade Company. Creates paper goods and gifts that make a statement. This is a keychain of a Monstera palm. Monstera? I think we'll look at the card then once we're done getting everything out of the box. But this is really cute. It looks like it's plated. Alright, next we have... I am sick, if you can hear it. I'm just, got the mom flu. Alright, that's the flu where you still have to cook dinner and live your normal life, but also be sick at the same time. So this is wholesome, mindfully delicious organic fruit chews. These are like really heavy. They feel like Starburst, not like gummies. Difference, like more like taffy. Only recognizable ingredients. This is 2 ounces, and it looks like there's 4 different flavors. I've never heard of this brand. I am on a diet. I told you guys that, so I think I'm going to hold off on these because I'll eat them all. All right, next we have, what do we have? I have no idea. We're going to find out together, right, Swifty? Right? So this is fruit. So this is all the stuff that you need for a vacation at home, right? So you have your little palm leaf, your little snack, fruit. I guess you put fruit in. Oh, this is like a market bag? I'm not sure. Oh, there's another one. Oh, look. They are market bags. This one says dairy. Ooh, I like that. That's a cute idea. For when you go to Aldi's. Where are my Aldi's girls at? Whoop, whoop, whoop. I have a quarter in my, like a designated quarter every time I get in my car. Because I do a very nice thing. Every time I go to Aldi's, I leave my quarter in the cart for the next person. Just trying to get some extra karma points. So anyway, these are 2 really cute. I like the colors are bright. That's fun. Cute idea, right? I just have to remember to take them with me. I end up like with all these groceries in the back of my truck. I have to dig them all out one by one. All right. I think this is the final item because it looked like there were only 4 items on the insert. So this is wrapped up real pretty. Look at that. And this is from Jessie & Co. And it is a cuff bracelet. It is very cute. This is very, like, modern. Most cuffs are, like, very, like, elegant and, like, kind of more, I don't know how to say it. But this is, like, very, like, kind of more edgy, I want to say. You see this style? It's, like, very industrial looking. And it is long, too. Look at that. Do you like it? What do you guys think? I asked like 7 questions. Let me know all of the answers down below, please. All right, so there is that. Let's look at the card here. Cuff bracelet is by Kiwi Co. The key tag is by Swell Made Company. Carry a little bit of the tropics with you. Use it for your keys or on your handbag, or carry a little sun with you wherever you go. Set of market bags. That is by Lulu Jules, the woman who has curated this box. They're adorable and are perfect to keep your fruits and veggies separate from your meat and dairy. Each box will have 2 of the 4 designs. So there are 4 in total. We received 2. I will put the full, like the price when I go and do the reviews. I always look up the prices. So I will put that in the review as well. Just break down the price of the box. And then the Wholesome Fruit Chews. These organic candies are all natural and super yummy, and each purchase helps support fair trade farming communities in other countries. So that is really cool. Let me know down below what you guys thought of this box. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.